Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to import these templates into your Alight motion. The first thing you want to do is open your Alight motion app and then go to templates and then click on upload. But you got to make sure that first of all your data is on. You got to ensure that your data is on. All right, your mobile data is on, and you click on upload, and then you're going to find the file you just downloaded. So for me, it's under my recent files, but wherever you downloaded it, I can go here. Wherever you've downloaded it, you find it. So this is a 3D photo animation. Click on it, and then it is uploading. So now you have it here. You can preview it. All right, that's cool. So right here, just in this very place, template editor, before you even begin to use the template, you can edit the pictures, like the pictures that were used in this template. So I'm going to go here by starting with the first one. I want to replace this picture with some other picture. I'm going to start with this one. So if I play it, you see that this picture has been added to it. So look at it. All right, so you can pause it. So that's the picture that I just replaced it with. If I'm not okay with the size, I could change the size by tapping here. All right, or tap here, or tap, but I think this is the best. So it's okay like this. I don't have to change any other thing, except if I want to go and change the position, and I could do that later on. But I could just right here change all the pictures. So let's see the first one, the second one. Okay, that's cool. So let's change the third one. I'm going to fast forward all this until I change everything. Alright, so let's preview it. I've changed all the pictures. You can see them, they are all changed, they've been replaced. So let's preview it to see. All right, that's all cool. Okay, so I can go to click on next, and you notice everything has been imported. Now go and turn on your camera so you can see what you're doing. So I'm going to click here on the panel and then click on camera. So now the camera is turned on, and if I play it, you see that the pictures have been changed. Alright, so I can go here and change the color background or the background color by clicking on background and then clicking on effects, then the gradient, and then I can change the color to, let's say, let's try this. So I'm just going to try several colors. Then let me try here. I can use something darker, or let's see what we've got. So this is also cool too. All right, so just use a very gradient combination color that you're very cool with, and then once you're done, you can export it. Let's look at it again. So you can change the text from this text to here. So you just have to click on this Great Light Media, and then you can change the text to whatever text you want. You can change the text to whatever text you want. All right, so you can change the font as well. The font type you want to use, you can just click on all your fonts. And if you don't have any of if the fonts that you have here are not the kind of font you want to use, you can import fonts by clicking on that button and then click on import. So you go to where your fonts are and then you import the fonts. All right, so let's go back. So once you're done, you click on the tick icon and then you can export.